Unleashing Infinitives. Mastering verbs followed by infinitives. Hello learners, and welcome to another exciting lesson on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're going to tackle a crucial topic: verbs followed by infinitives. This topic is often considered tricky, but with practice and understanding, we can turn this into an opportunity to take your English proficiency to the next level. Before diving into the specifics, let's do a quick review. An infinitive is a base form of a verb, often preceded by the word to. For example, to eat, to read, to learn. However, after certain verbs, we use the infinitive without to. Remember, usage varies based on the verb that precedes it. Now, let's look at the main topic of our lesson today. Some verbs are directly followed by infinitives. Here are some common examples: agree, decide, hope, learn, refuse, seem, and want. These are just a few examples. There are many more. Here is how you might see them in sentences. I decided to go to the beach. She refuses to eat broccoli. We want to learn English. Let's put your knowledge to the test. Fill in the blanks with an appropriate infinitive. 1. He needs blank go to the market to buy vegetables. 2. I plan blank visit my grandmother this weekend. 3. They promise blank help with the charity event. Now, let's test your understanding with a short quiz. Choose the correct infinitive to complete the sentences. 1. We hope blank to attending the concert next week. 2. She seems blank to be being happy about the news. 3. I refuse blank to accepting defeat. And there you have it. I hope this video has helped you to understand how to use verbs followed by infinitives. Keep practicing and you'll soon master this aspect of English grammar. As always, happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.